In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Affirm loan. By the end, you'll know exactly what Affirm looks for and how to get yourself ready before you apply. So the process feels smooth and predictable. When you apply for a loan through Affirm, your request is reviewed across three areas: basic eligibility, your individual history, and the policies of the store where you're checking out. Think of these as layers that work together to determine what terms you're offered or whether you're approved. First, eligibility. Affirm is available to people who are residents of the United States, including U.S. territories. You need to be at least 18 years old or 19 if you're a ward of the state in Nebraska. You'll also need a social security number and a mobile phone number that can receive text messages and is registered in the U.S. or its territories. These details help Affirm verify your identity and keep your account secure. Make sure the name and address you use match your official records to avoid delays. Next, your individual history. Affirm may look at your credit score and your credit utilization, which is the percentage of your available credit you're currently using. Lower utilization generally signals more room in your budget. They also consider your payment history with Affirm itself, including any overdue or deferred payments and any previous loan delinquency. Consistent, on-time payments can strengthen your profile over time. Affirm also considers how long you've had an account, the number of loans you already have open with them, and the size of the new loan you're requesting. They may verify your income and your existing debt obligations, and recent bankruptcies can affect your application. Finally, make sure your personal information is current. If you've moved, changed your phone number, or updated your legal name, mismatches that aren't yet reflected in public records can impact a decision. Store policies play a role too. Approval criteria can vary by retailer and can change over time. The interest rate options presented at checkout are influenced by the store, and there may be minimum purchase requirements or maximum amounts that the store allows through Affirm. So you might see different offers from one store to another. Before you apply, double check that you meet the eligibility requirements, confirm your phone can receive texts, and ensure your profile information is accurate. Keep balances manageable, pay on time, and request only what fits your budget. Approval isn't guaranteed, but aligning with these factors gives you the best chance at a favorable outcome. That's it for today's guide on how to apply for an Affirm loan. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application.